Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your newborn's umbilical cord. Keeping the cord stump clean and dry is crucial to prevent infection. Allow plenty of air exposure to help it dry out naturally. Remember to fold your baby's diaper below the cord to avoid irritation and promote faster drying. Always observe the area for any unusual changes, ensuring your little one stays comfortable and healthy. When it comes to bathing, stick to sponge baths until the cord stump has completely fallen off. If the area around the cord needs cleaning, gently wipe it with plain water. It is best to avoid using alcohol or other antiseptics unless your doctor specifically advises it. After any cleaning or bathing, always ensure the cord area is thoroughly dry to aid the healing process. The umbilical cord stump usually falls off naturally within 1 to 3 weeks after birth. It's quite normal to see a small amount of dried blood or clear fluid around the navel after separation. Continue to keep the area clean and dry for a few days following this event. However, if you notice excessive bleeding or persistent discharge, it is always best to consult your doctor. It is important to know when to seek medical attention. Contact your doctor if the cord area becomes red, swollen, or tender to the touch. Any foul-smelling discharge or pus from the stump is also a sign to report. Additionally, if your baby develops a fever or experiences persistent bleeding from the navel, please seek medical advice promptly. Your baby's health is the top priority.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.